Lingering power outages this morning have utility crews working hard to restore power before the next system arrives.
Yesterday at this time, there were more than 60,000 Consumers Energy customers without power. Today, that number is significantly less. As you can see here, the majority of those impacted are not in West Michigan. There are currently less than 1,000 outages in Muskegon County, another 500 in Montcalm. Most of those are expected to be fixed before noon today.
13 on your sides, Veronica Ortega joins us now in studio. Veronica, are crews ready to take on near blizzard-like conditions?
Jay, Emily, according to the Vice President of Electric Engineering for Consumers Energy, yes, they're prepared for what's to come starting tomorrow. But first, they have to finish work on those remaining outages. Consumers has 300 crews with more than 1,000 people working to restore power. The utility company says it will not rest until those power outages are repaired. Wet, heavy snow that caused trees to sag and limbs to break and power lines to go down proved to be challenging for crews yesterday, but thanks to advanced planning, crews have been working swiftly to restore power. And they say that will be the case this weekend.
We have a separate team planning for the weekend storm, and so as that weather comes on, we'll have crews set up again, we'll have our contractors set up. We'll be moving fresh material out to the areas where material stocks have been depleted, and we'll be ready to get after it.
Consumers says if you see crews working along the road, give them space and assume a downed wire is live, so stay 25 feet away. Again, Consumers is hoping to have power restored to customers today. To stay up to date on restoration times, you can visit Consumers Energy outage map online or use the app. Jay?